You were always there, rain, always here in my pain. When the sky turns gray, I know you have come. You cry along with me, and the ground holds our tears. Alone in the deep dark night, you were there with me. Nature's silent promise is that it will never leave us. It will always stay with us and let us feel its warmth. I will always respect you for always being there for me. Even gratitude is not enough for all that you have given us. In the thunderstorms of life, you were there to release my anger. In every breakdown I had, you stayed with me. You patted me through the wind, even though you had no hands. That's when I stopped crying and began to be reborn. And sunlight entered my life and brought a smile to my face. I began to bloom in you. I felt warmth in you. I felt alive in you. I learned your name later. That name is nature. Time passed and seasons changed, but you never changed who you are. You taught me that life may change, but we should never let it change who we are. Your kind heart never changed, and neither did mine. I only let it grow deeper like you do. You taught me patience, roots must grow before the plant rises. And just as a plant never returns to its seed, we must never return to our failed past. Nature's silent promise is that it will never leave us. It will always stay with us and let us feel its warmth. I will always respect you for always being there for me. Even gratitude is not enough for all that you have given us. Let's take a deep breath and look at the earth just once. Together we can build a sweet, gentle, happy home with this kind nature. And that's all that matters.